All right, today I am going to talk about how to change the intensity or power setting on your Sonicare toothbrush. Okay, you're going to get your Sonicare toothbrush like right here, like I have right here. And on your toothbrush, all of them have some sort of lever that increases or decreases the intensity. For this particular model right here, the intensity and de-intensity lever is right here where it has a plus and minus. And so what I'm going to do is I am just going to tap it once and the lights light up. And as I press the minus button, the intensity goes down. And if I press the plus button, the intensity goes up. Now let's put that into motion. So I'm going to press the power on. It is now on, okay? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to decrease the intensity and watch how quieter it gets because it's less intensive. See, that's at 2 and that's at 1. So some people have sensitive teeth and they can't use the high intensity, so they tend to take it down to the lowest setting. And you can just bring it back up by pressing the plus button. And that's how you change intensity on your toothbrush. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.